In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter to your WordPress site. This process is designed to be quick and straightforward, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their website by keeping visitors engaged with updates and news. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. It's typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to log in. WordPress supports a range of login methods, but today we're going to streamline this process by clicking on Continue with Google. Now this will direct you to a new page where you'll see a choice of your Google accounts. Go ahead and select the one that is associated with your WordPress website. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to ensure you pick the correct one so you don't run into any access issues later on. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will open up. Over on the right hand panel there's a section marked Quick Links. Just below that, you'll want to spot and click on Edit Site. This is your gateway to making changes and adding new features to your site, like the newsletter we're about to tackle. With the site editor open, you'll see an option to add a new block. Look around for a subtle plus icon, usually embedded within the page editor. Clicking this lets you search for various block types that WordPress supports. It's quite user-friendly, and you'll get accustomed to it in no time. In the search bar that appears, type in subscribe. This action highlights all the newsletter related options available. WordPress is quite resourceful in providing a range of features, and the subscribe option is precisely what we need. Finally, go ahead and click on subscribe. This option will add a newsletter block right onto your page. You can move it around, adjust the layout and customize it to match the overall design of your site. It's always a good idea to preview these changes before they go live, ensuring everything aligns well with your existing content. And that's it, you've successfully added a newsletter subscription option to your WordPress site. With this, you can engage your audience more effectively, keeping them in the loop with all the latest at your site. Adding a newsletter is a strategic way to foster a loyal audience who look forward to your updates. Keep experimenting with those customizations to truly make it your own. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.